Here are the parts that came with the carburetor. As you can see, there were a few extra ones. The first step is to remove the air filter cover and its filter. This will give you access to the two screws that hold the carburetor to the engine. Remove the screws with a T25 torque head screwdriver. Remove the carburetor from the engine. Now, remove the fuel lines off the old carburetor. You can use a pair of pliers or your fingers to pinch and slide the retaining clip to allow you to remove the line. Remove the cap off the old carburetor to expose the throttle cable. Pop the cap off the throttle cable's end and disconnect the throttle cable from the carburetor. Install the throttle cable on the new carburetor as shown. Note, sadly, the old carburetor's cap doesn't fit on the new carburetor, but that shouldn't be an issue. Next, remove the old fuel lines and stopper. Keep track of the metal clip since you will need it to reinstall the new fuel lines. Now use the old lines and stopper as a guide to make the new ones. Cut the lines to length. Using the old metal clip from the old fuel line pickup, clip the new fuel line pickup to the new fuel line. Install the new fuel line assembly into the tank. Connect the fuel lines to the new carburetor. Reassemble the carburetor and filter housing and reattach it to the engine using the 2 screws. Don't forget the gasket. Reinstall the filter and its cover. Now the fun part. Make sure there is plenty of gas in the tank. And press on the priming bubble until you see some gas flowing. Give the cord a couple pulls. And success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.